Ever wondered why we yawn? In a groundbreaking study known as the Yawning Experiment, researchers discovered that yawning isn't just about tiredness. It plays a vital role in our health. Participants who witnessed someone yawn were found to experience a temporary boost in cognitive function and alertness. This surprising outcome suggests that yawning might be a mechanism for social bonding and communication. But there's more. This simple response could signal the brain's need for cooling, promoting mental clarity. Consequently, the Yawning Experiment challenges our understanding of social behaviors and their hidden influences on wellness. Next time you catch a yawn, remember, it could be more than just fatigue. It's a call for connection.